Welcome to the Zotero video series. This series will show you how to use Zotero version 7. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account and install Zotero. Before you can install Zotero, you first need to create an account. To get to the Zotero website, you can simply type zotero.org into your address bar. From there, you're going to click this login button in the upper right-hand corner, and you're going to click the option to register for a free account. This page should then walk you through how to create a new Zotero account. Once you have created your free Zotero account, you can click Login in the upper right-hand corner if you aren't logged in already, and enter in the email address and password that you used to create your Zotero account. From there, if it doesn't automatically take you to Zotero's homepage, you can click Zotero in the upper left-hand corner, and then you can click this download button towards the center of the screen. Zotero should automatically detect which type of device you're using, in my case a Windows computer. From there, you can click the option to download and install that program, and Zotero should walk you through the process of installation. Once you have finished installing the desktop version of Zotero, you will want to also install the Zotero connector, which will allow you to extract citation information from a web page. Zotero should automatically detect which browser you're using, so if you prefer to use a different browser, take care to use that browser for installation. Thanks for watching! For additional information or support, visit the eBling Library website at https://ebling.library.wisc.edu and click the Help button in the upper right-hand corner of the page for assistance.